Here at the EEF Technology Hub, we're currently recruiting for the September intake. We have an open day whereby prospective apprentices can come and have a look around the amazing facilities, meet some of the prospective employers. You'll also get a tour from current apprentices, and they're the best advocates for this building because they're currently on the programme and they're the best salespeople we have.
I think it'd be very important for all budding engineers or wannabe apprentices to really come down as EEF because they open up everything so you can see things working. We try and get across the manufacturing philosophy of being lean, being clean, being efficient. We're trying to get them and start them off early saying this is what it is, this is how you can develop, and this is what engineering really is nowadays.
At an EEF Open Day, you will be able to meet with employers, so you'll be able to understand what exactly they need from a potential apprentice. They'll be able to let you know what their recruitment process is and what skills they would expect from an apprentice when you're applying for the position.
I definitely recommend people coming to an EEF Open Day because it's a big shock for when people come in the door and see all the equipment and facilities that we have. Everyone leaves with a wow factor, I believe, so they're really happy with what they see. People just need to come and see it for themselves, whether it's manufacturing or some sort of maintenance or electrical roles they're into. They can see the equipment, see what we do, and then decide if that's an avenue they want to go down.